Hi guys, we did last class number 1, class number 2. In class number 2 that we discussed binomial expansion method, Pascal triangle, and few questions also, and even assignment number 1 also. I hope you so all of you are doing good. The assignment number 1 I received a good response. Let me discuss today the second method of interpolation and extrapolation, that is Newton's advanced difference method. The Newton advanced difference method, the formula is given by yx is equal to y naught plus x delta naught 1 divided by 1 factorial, that is 1 only, plus x into x minus 1 delta naught power 2 divided by 2 factorial, 2 into 1 is 2, plus x into x minus 1 x minus 2 delta naught power 3 divided by 3 factorial, that is 6, plus x into x minus 1 x minus 2 x minus 3 delta naught power 4 divided by 24, that is 4 factorial plus etc. After that, where x is equal to the value of x to be interpolated or the given value minus x naught divided by difference of x column. And after that, there is a procedure how to do the leading difference table. Look here, the x column is there and y column is here. The first difference, second difference, third difference, fourth difference, up to will get one number, you have to stop there. So that according to this pattern, here the one number delta naught 4, you have to stop till delta 4. Suppose you'll get until unless one number, will stop there. It may be third difference also, it may be fourth difference also. I repeat once again how to remember formula. Yx is equal to y naught plus x delta naught 1 divided by 1, and x1, this is 1, and plus 1, this full term, 1 plus 1 2 divided by 2, 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is delta naught 3, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is delta naught 4. And after that, there is the x formula. Please remember these two. You have to practice it more on these two formula because they ask 2 mark also. Write on the formula for Newton advanced method. So after that, there is a leading difference table. Look here, x column and x naught to x4, y column, y naught to y4. How to do the first difference table? You have to do the subtract from downward to upward. Therefore, y naught minus y1 minus y naught, y2 minus y1, y3 minus y2, y4 minus y3. Similarly, whatever this answer come, delta 1 minus delta naught 1, delta 2 1 minus delta 1 1, delta 3 1 minus delta 2 1. We'll get another answer. So these delta naught 2, delta 1, etc. till we are going up to the one number, so that will be stopped there. According to this table, there is a fourth difference table. We will get the single digit number. We'll go on small example to understand. The first example, from the following given data, interpolate the number of person living in the age 25 year, age column 20, 30, 40, 50, and number of person 53, 49, 36, 23. Sir, how to differentiate for binomial and Newton's difference method? Note that binomial in the y column there is a question mark, but Newton advanced there is no question mark, but there is a given value is here. Look here, the person living in the age of 25 years. Yes, definitely. After this, we'll go for the first leading difference table. You have to write x column 20, after there is a gap, 30 there is a gap, 40 there is a gap, 50. Similarly, 53 corresponding 49, 36, 23. First you have to go for first difference table. 49 minus 53 will get minus 4, 36 minus 49 will get minus 13, 23 minus 36 will get minus 13. This is the first difference table. And second difference table, we have to go that minus 13 minus of minus 4. Scientific calculator do same thing, will get minus 9. Similarly, minus 13 minus of minus 13, we will get 0 there. And the last column, fourth one, so fourth column, 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth column, but difference table is the third difference. So 0 minus of minus 9, that is equal to 9. Note that we will get single digit number. You have to stop here. Look at that, there is the third difference table, that is delta naught 3. The next method will go for x. We have to find x value. X is equal to given value minus x naught divided by difference of x column. X is equal to given value is 25 here, and minus x naught, the x column, first number x naught divided by difference of x column, there is a 10. So 25 minus 20 is equal to divided by 10 is equal to 0.5. You have to apply the formula till delta naught 3 because difference table is third different delta naught 3. Just you have to substitute y x nothing but this is the given value 25 is equal to 53 plus 0.5 open bracket minus 4 close bracket divided by 1 plus 0.5 open bracket 0.5 minus 1 close bracket. How to write minus 4? Look here, this is the minus 4 here, the first difference. Minus 4 plus 0.5 open bracket 0.5 minus 1 close bracket again open bracket minus 9 divided by 2. How to write minus 9? Second difference first number plus 0.5 open bracket 0.5 minus 1 close bracket 0.5 minus 2 close bracket open bracket the last the difference number open close 9 divided by 6 and take scientific calculator. Start that 53 plus 0.5 open bracket minus 4 close bracket divided by 1 plus 0.5 open bracket 0.5 minus 1 close bracket open bracket minus 9 close bracket divided by 2 plus 0.5 open bracket 0.5 minus 1 close bracket again open bracket 0.5 minus 2 close bracket again open bracket 9 close bracket divided by 6 is equal to, we will get y25 is equal to 52.68. Sir, how to check the Newton advance? What we are doing is answer correct or what? Yes, definitely you have to check. Look at the given value is 25, 20 and 30 in between there is a 25 is there and corresponding 53, 49. Definitely 49 to 53 in between only will getting answer. So according to this question, y25 52.68. Yes, so we got a correct answer. So this is the method you have to do leading difference table. First method, after that x you have to find, after that formula till not 3 or not 4 and after substitute then scientific calculator directly one time will get the finally y25 is equal to 52.68 is the first question. We'll go similarly second question. From the following data interpolate the sales for the year 1998. The data are given, there's an year and sales x and y column. We'll go for leading difference table and 84 minus 47 will get 37, 105 minus 84 21, 111 minus 84 21, 114 minus 111 is equal to 3. Now 21 minus 37 minus 16, 6 minus 21 minus 15, 3 minus 6 minus 3, the third difference minus 15 minus of minus 16 you have to write in between, so you'll get 1 minus 3 minus of minus 15 is equal to 12. The last term the delta naught 4 the up to fourth difference, so 12 minus 1 is equal to 11. We'll go for x1. We'll go for x. The given value is 1998 minus x naught x column first number 1996 divided by leading difference is 4, we got 0.5 and up to yx till fourth difference, so up to delta naught 4 you have to write formula, then y 1998 given value keep on substituting there. Here minus 0.5 nothing but 0.5 minus 1 will get directly minus 0.5, so directly also we can find, directly we can substitute, and this is 37 minus 16 1 and 11 all are first difference number and substitute it directly will get 67.13, or else we can write 67 unit. Whether answer is right or wrong, so we can identify. So 1998 1996 to 2000, here 1998 will get 47 47 to 84 we got an answer, so 67, so finally we got 67 is the correct answer. So similarly we'll go for the third question. From the following data find out the number of workers earning wages below rupees 25. We can consider this is a 2500 but we consider 25 only. So this is compared to last two problem, this is quite different. We'll go slowly only, no need to worry. X column wages and y column is a number of workers. The class intervals are given here. It's very important. Convert the data into less than frequency table. Similarly, then find the difference table. Note that the last year first PUC we discussed this type of sum. The class intervals are given. You have to convert the less than frequency. So how to convert less than frequency, sir? The x column, we have 10 to 20, you can write less than 20, less than 30, less than 40, less than 50, less than 60, less than 70. And whatever y column, you have to do cumulative. First you have to write 50 there, after that 80 plus 50 is 130 and 100 plus 80 is 230.